Wagwan, hope all is well. So today is Tuesday, 28th of April. And as of lately, I've been seeing little clips here and there of Candy Wow. I choose not to post all of them because they don't know quarantine. So, people most of it on the internet now. But this video that you guys are currently seeing is she saying to a 16-year-old that she thinks she have man and sexually active, but the 16-year-old put her in her place. Anyway, so that was the video that I was watching. I was like, Candy serious? She think every 16-year-old out here woman? Anyway, that's set aside and done. I went like go eat something and come back and then see our next video. No, with this video there is no joke to it. Serious question. I didn't know Candy is now literally living on the gully side. Just look on the video and look on Candy living in the gully.
Good. Yeah, me good man. From me have life, you know, girl. Me have life. Me not dead, you know. Is that dead somebody else look on? Life, somebody will look on you and talk to you, you know. Oh, but see things and know things. Eh? What going to happen from this, so what going to happen? I want you to go on down the yard and leave me. Show no girl.